Hello. There's not a lot of gardening getting done here at Homegrown Veg in the United Kingdom at the moment. We're mid-autumn, heading towards winter, and most of what I'm going to be growing this year has been grown. Quite a bit of it has been harvested. I still have some stuff in a raised bed, and I'll show you that in a moment. But what's been keeping me busy over the last few weeks is building new raised beds. The 3 beds I've got are constructed from scaffolding boards, and those boards have started to go rotten, so I've had to replace them. And there is a clip in this video that will show you the 2 raised beds that I've got completed, and the 1 raised bed that I haven't started yet because it still has some veg in there. I think it's got carrots and beetroot and maybe some Swedes in there. I don't know if there's anything else in there. But I'd rather wait till I harvested those vegetables before I replace that raised bed with a new raised bed. So yeah, that's what I've been busy with.